I'm gonna need a chain for this.
Okay, here's the situation we're dealing with now. Winched up on that tree, got straightened up, drove down here. I was gonna try and exit right here. The ground's super uneven as you come over this bank. And with my tires not having much tread, it just skied right down over the side. Luckily, there's a birch tree there, about 3-4 inches in diameter. I hit that. Now I'm chained to this tree. I'm gonna try and back up and get the front end facing downhill straight so I can unhook everything and just go straight to the bottom. Because with a lifted truck, it rolls a lot easier. And it definitely was a couple pucker moments there when I was coming down. I ain't gonna lie, that was quite an adventure. As you can see, it's a little on the dark side now. I'm just heading back down to the pit. I left a strap that I had wrapped around a tree for a tree saver. Just heading back to grab that. It was a little tense there for a couple moments. But yeah, just used the gear that I had and managed to get out. This is what the aftermath is. So I was chained to this tree with a tree saver and winching down there. And yeah, ended up this way, front bumper there, and I chained to the tree and then winched myself that way. And then unhooked from this tree up here and drove out. But it took a while because this stuff is slippery. Whew. Whoa. But yeah, this is the edge of a sand pit, and it's all just obviously loose sand. She was brutal. No traction in it, plus the snow on top of it. Anyway, it was still a good time, good exercise for the equipment. Trying to figure out, so that's what wheeling is sometimes, is troubleshooting. Anyway, till next time.